celebrating 10 years of It's So Easy, I thought I'd share a little bit about how I got started. I started sewing as a young child with my family. I sewed everything I could, and I'd even sneak fabric out of my mother's stash and have my sisters chalk me in like a crime scene. And I would sew it together and make an outfit. Thankfully, I've come a long ways. I went to college for business, and when I got out, I started my business. I started having a fashion show. I did custom clothing for women all over the world, making everything from jeans all the way up to couture gowns. I loved it. But it gave me a chance for 20 years to fit people of every shape and size. Now my second career, I call in sewing. I won a fashion design contest, and I met the producer for It's So Easy, and she said, "Would you like to audition for this show?" I thought, sure, that'll be a fun gig, as I was still designing clothes for customers. And my eyes were open to this huge sewing community, such as you. So now I decided to change the entire business. Not only am I designing clothes, but I'm designing patterns for you to sew. I'm teaching you everything I learned for those 20 years, from sewing, fitting, what you name it, the fashion side. I also interact with everyone every week, Facebook Live. That's something super fun. We have Wolfpack fans all over the world now. Fashion Sewing Club and online classes. It's a way to be able to teach and connect with sewers from all over the world from the simplicity of your home. So not only all of that, I'm also going to events. I teach at dealers, expos. I get a chance to meet you in person, which is always fun. But the really cool part is no matter what I'm sewing, if it's knits, if it's jeans, if it's couture jackets, if you're a beginner or advanced, it doesn't matter. There's always something you can learn. There's always something that I learn. But I love encouraging people to sew no matter what age. And you know what's really interesting? There's really no age to this. I teach 10-year-olds and I teach 80-year-olds. And it's amazing that everyone, we have one common core, and that's sewing. So not only that, although I'm doing a lot of this for sewing, and I do the YouTube channels and videos and Facebook, I have another side of my life too, and that's thanks to my husband. We fish. We fish professionally, sometime maybe not professionally, but we fish salmon tournaments, and our boats win an angel. So fashion or fishing, one or the other. I think that's what you call work hard, play hard. So congratulations to 10 years of It's So Easy, and all of you for watching the show. Thanks for sewing along with me.